If moving to Canada is your dream, and if you don't have your financial math right, that dream can quickly become a survival struggle. Today, I will share some tips that hopefully will help you understand the financial ecosystem, banking, credit, taxes, and will help you avoid doing some common mistakes that I see my newcomer friends do. Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Pradeep. I'm an IT product manager working in Canada. You've seen the Instagram reels, the snow, the CN Tower, and the aesthetic life. But nobody really tells you the feeling when you get when your credit card is rejected, or the shock of paying $2,500 for a one-bedroom apartment. When I landed, I thought I'm smart. मैंने research किया था, and to be very frank guys, the system here humbled me. मुझे याद है, I walked into a car dealership during winter. I was looking for a car. The dealer looked at my credit history back from India, which was fantastic by the way, and said that meant nothing here and offered me a loan for 9% interest. हम अक्सर सोचते हैं कि conversion rate ही सब कुछ है, but the real cost is the newcomer tax that all of us pay because we don't know the system. And today I want to save you some time and hopefully help you with this three-phase approach. Phase 1 is banking. If you are a newcomer here, you are a hot commodity for any Canadian banks. Don't just walk into a bank, but go to one which has newcomer programs. Currently, I think Scotia or TD does offer packages for newcomers, which includes waiving off your credit cards or even giving you hundreds of dollars upfront. Guys, एक pro tip है, you can always open this credit card back home even before you land here. Again, the holy grail is credit score, guys. In India, we debit everything, but यहाँ credit card is the king. Your actual credit score decides if you get an apartment, if you qualify for a loan, or even a job. Always remember the 3 rules to build your credit card fast. Number 1, get a secured card. If you can't get a normal card, put down a $500 down payment and get a secured one. Number 2, always remember the 30% rule. Say if your limit is $1,000, never spend more than $300. A high utilization rate kills your credit score instantly. And third is treat your credit card like you do your debit card. Pay it off fully every month. Next, let's talk about budgeting and cost of living. I did pull some numbers from 2025, so you don't have to guess. Housing in Toronto or Vancouver with a one bedroom will cost you of $3,200 every month, versus Calgary or Edmonton is somewhere around $2,200. Dekho guys, if you are working in tech or if your company allows you for remote working, always choose provinces like Alberta over Ontario, which will save you roughly $12,000 a year in rent. Again, that is post-tax savings. Second is budgeting. And देखो guys, budgeting का simple rule है. Use 50-30-20 rule. Always have 50% for your needs like rents and groceries, 30% for your wants जो कि dining, entertainment and shopping हो जाता है, and 20% for your savings. If you see that your rent is over 50% of your income, then you are already in a danger zone and you need a roommate or a cheaper city ASAP. Next, let's talk about taxes. Taxes के नाम पे सब डरते हैं, but listen closely guys. Here's a common myth. I landed in December and I earned $0. So one might think you don't need to file taxes, जो कि गलत है. You must file taxes regardless. Guys, even with zero income, filing taxes actually unlocks a lot of benefits. Number 1, GST and HST credits, जो कि quarterly cash from the government है on your GSTs. Canada Child Benefits. If you have kids, this is huge and tax-free monthly support from the government. Number 3 is your climate action incentive. This is a quarterly rebate for the carbon tax, and this varies province to province. Alright, so I will remiss if I don't talk about some of the common mistakes that I see my newcomer friends do. Number 1, the new car trap. Please don't finance a new car immediately. It kills your borrowing power for a future house that you might be interested in. Number 2, ignoring the TFSA. The tax-free savings account is a gift and open it immediately. Number 3 is mental math. Stop multiplying every coffee price by 60 rupees. Earn in dollars, guys, and make sure that you spend in dollars. Dekho friends, it's all about mindset. Year 1 is survival, where you are making mistakes and learning the system. Year 2 is stability, where you understand the game and you're playing to win. And finally, year 3 is success, where Canada is not a struggle anymore and you can call it your new home. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. We are building the smartest community here. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, take care.